I'm Salvo, I'm the chef de cuisine of Ronda Locatelli. 5 years that I'm working for Giorgio Locatelli in Dubai, delivering the Italian culture in Dubai to the guests. This is very, very important for us. Keep it simple, the ingredient, keep it simple, the plate. We really focus on the real Italian cuisine. Something simple like lasagna, cannelloni, and spaghetti vongole, clam spaghetti, you know. Even me, that I'm a chef, I cannot repeat the same flavor of the same smell, you know. I think I can never achieve the skills of my grandmother. Culinary life is not what people see in the television. Culinary life is totally different. It's hard, it's long. You have to love this job. Today we will go to prepare our fantastic pizza burrata. It's a really thin crust and light pizza with tomato sauce, cherry tomato, grilled aubergine and fresh Italian burrata cheese on top.
My name's Sally Prosser and I'm author of a food and travel blog called My Custard Pie. Food shapes our world. Apart from water, it's the most important thing. So yeah, I'm quite nerdy at digging down into where things come from, is it sustainable and is it delicious. The Italians are very much about seasonality. They're really about the pristine flavour of their ingredient. Obviously left his native Sicily, went to London. Giorgio was such a mentor and he only ever talked about the food, the ingredients, etc. It's a high-end restaurant. Nothing's skimped on the ingredients, but when you look at the plates of food, it's simple. And that's really nice. I like that. It's about simple food done really, really well.
Hi Sally.
Hello, Chef Salvo. Really nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure for us to welcome you in our restaurant, Ronda Locatelli.
It's really good to be back. Looks really interesting. What are they doing over here?
Yeah, here they are preparing pizza.
Oh, everyone's favourite, eh?
Yeah. All our pizza is made, it's made fresh.
So you know who grows the olives for your olive oil?
Yeah, of course we know.
Fantastic.
We know what kind of olives is it, we know the place, we know even when they produce. Our most popular pizza is one of the best-selling pizza here in Ronda Locatelli is Burrata Pizza. And today I will show you how we prepare our pizza burrata.
Oh yes, please.
Yeah, let's do it. So Sally, let's go to cook.
Thank you very much.
First of all, we have to prepare the dough.
Okay.
We cannot prepare the dough and use straight.
No.
Because we let rest. So this is the dough that we will use. We keep fermented for 48, 72 hours.
Okay.
The third day we start to use the pizza dough in order to be more light, more crunchy. Okay, our pizza dough is almost ready. Now what we do, we just create a piece of pizza. We break it in two.
Okay.
Yes. So use this part of the hands.
Okay, otherwise, the top of the fingers.
Yes. Otherwise you're gonna break it. So slowly, we open first one the
so
the side of the pizza.
I'm pressing with my fingertips. Yeah. It's hard.
Oh, if you want to, you can do even later, and it's open it.
A lovely thin circle of dough. Okay.
Just take 2 generous spoons of tomato sauce.
Smells really good. Have you got herbs in here?
No, we just put some basil and olive oil. Add some datterino tomato.
Okay.
So we just put on top.
Okay.
And we put also some grilled aubergine.
Ah.
This one we just thin slice.
Oh, golly. No pressure.
Slowly, no pressure.
It's a knack, isn't it?
Just go there, don't go too deep. Here is perfect.
Look at that.
So, this is our pizza. We just put it into the plate. Secret thing is, you can see it's without cheese. So we got to introduce the cheese at the end. So this is burrata cheese. You can see it looks like mozzarella, but at the end inside is soft, is creamy, is really nice.
I'll tell you what, my mouth's watering now.
We just put a couple of spoons here.
Oh, just on the spaces?
Yes.
Okay.
Touch of black pepper on top.
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
From Sicily?
You can finish.
You've got to tell me how much.
Always olive oil is as much you like.
Oh right. Got to bite into this.
Let's taste it.
I was sceptical about aubergine on a pizza, but that's terrific.
No, it's really nice combination.
It's because it's so thin.
Yeah, you don't feel too much,
No, it's absolutely delicious. The creaminess of the burrata, the tanginess of those really ripe tomatoes. I'm sure I've got burrata on my lip. So this is your favourite pizza?
This one is the classic pizza, margherita, you know.
That's your favourite, you said?
Yes, yes. Just tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese and basil on top. As simple as it, and fresh, nice, crunchy.
Beautiful crust. This green risotto, what's in that?
This one is quite, is a Chef Locatelli, you know, idea to take the nettle, you know the nettle?
Nettles?
That one,
Yeah.
yes, the nettles, that one when you
Stinging
touch.
nettles.
You
And
know.
where's arancini from?
Arancini is typical from Sicily, you know.
Is it?
Yeah,
and where are you from?
Sicily, unfortunately. It's a cooked rice, and after what we do, we stuff with the braised beef and the mozzarella cheese inside.
Wow, you
we
can
bread it
see
and we fry. Really, this is we can say it's our street food.
What motivated you to start to become a chef?
What motivated me? I think the culture that there is in my family about kitchen, about the importance of sit all together, you know, and have a lunch or dinner. This is what give me the startup. I always say to my team, if you do this job without passion, or you just do this job just for take the money and put in the pocket, I'm sorry, this is not a job that can be done properly. This one you should try.
Very pretty.
I don't know if you like dessert. So we just serve with biscuit crumble, strawberry, and the strawberry powder on top. Once you go to break it, you have a strawberry filling inside.
Gosh, that's gorgeous. I can remember, I think he said, Italians eat pasta with their sauce, not sauce with their pasta.
Yes, yeah.
Well, thank you, Chef Salvo. That was an amazing experience, and I really enjoyed tasting all the food. In fact, I'm going to taste the cannoli right now.
Yes.
Thank you.